Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, your destination for exploring the most innovative and sustainable living solutions. Today we're thrilled to present an extraordinary project from the USA, the Happy Twogether shipping container tiny house. Made from two 20-foot repurposed steel shipping containers, the Happy Twogether provides a more traditional house layout than a tiny house on wheels. The shipping container tiny house was built by Custom Container Living in Archie, Missouri. The main floor bedroom and living room are in one container while the main entryway, kitchen, and bathroom are in the other. An archway connects the two containers. There are tile floors in the entryway and bathroom and bamboo flooring throughout the rest of the house. Pine tongue and groove walls are used through the main part of the house and corrugated metal is used in the bathroom. The custom kitchen cabinets are made from birch and stained green and blue, adding a lot of color to contrast with the natural pine walls. The Happy Twogether is heated and cooled with a Mitsubishi Hyper heat system and has spray foam insulation in the walls and ceiling. The base price for this model is $58,900. Nestled in the heart of a serene setting, the Happy Twogether tiny house stands as a testament to creativity and efficient design. This delightful home, constructed from repurposed shipping containers, showcases how compact living can be both stylish and comfortable. With its modern design and thoughtful use of space, the Happy Twogether tiny house demonstrates the incredible potential of shipping containers to create inviting and functional living environments. Step inside to discover a cozy and well-designed living area. The compact kitchen, comfy living room, and charming bedroom make this tiny house feel like a true home, blending comfort with practicality. Equipped with sustainable features including energy-efficient systems, smart storage solutions, and eco-friendly materials, the Happy Twogether tiny house ensures a minimal environmental footprint while maximizing convenience. The outdoor space extends the living area, featuring a quaint patio and a beautiful garden area, perfect for relaxation and enjoying nature. Thank you for joining us on this delightful tour of the Happy Twogether shipping container tiny house, a shining example of how repurposed materials can create a charming and efficient living space. This unique tiny house, nestled in the USA, showcases the perfect blend of creativity, sustainability, and comfort, proving that small spaces can offer big living experiences. At Alvinsa Studio, we are committed to bringing you the most inspiring and eco-friendly architectural solutions from around the world. Stay tuned for more captivating tours and insights into groundbreaking projects that redefine contemporary living. Until next time, may your living spaces be filled with innovation, sustainability, and joy. Alvinsa Studio, where creativity and elegance meet.